video will show you publish survey from an object. And the way it works is like this. Let's say you've got your survey, and I'm going to add just the one question. We keep this super simple. Let's get radio. In fact, I just wanted a radio, that's fine. So we'll say choose items. Choose items, something like that. That's my survey. Okay, the way you publish it from an object is you click publish, and then you choose object. And from here on, you choose your object, and then you choose the record ID. In my case, it's contact ID because it's a contact. And then you want to set your conditions. In my case here, I'm just going to say last name contains blogs. So what it's going to do is going to find somebody, it's going to find a contact ID where last name contains blogs. But you can obviously completely modify the criteria to whatever you want it to be. And then you can send it via an email template. If you have from Salesforce, we can do that. Obviously, the email you will choose from the object itself. And then you can use current email address or org-wide email address if you want to do that. You can also send custom email. So from here you can completely make one up. So you can say test survey and then insert the web URL in there. And then click next. There's my email. And then what you want to do here is enter the form owner email. So for me it's this. And add any comment that you'd like, so test comment, and then just go ahead and click send. You can also schedule a date when you want this to be sent, and it will be sent on that specific date. But once it's sent, we'll give you the distribution ID and the survey ID that's been created in Salesforce, so you can check the responses that come to that survey ID and distribution ID. So let me show you, obviously that's been sent, and now we'll go and have a look in terms of how that's working. So let's go and check. We'll copy that, pop it in here, and then 1 minute, let me get the link correctly, copy, and then paste. And then here on, there's your survey that's come through, choose my items, click submit, and now it's finished. And what you'll find is, if you've got the object survey taken, the survey is going to come in here like that. And then it will show you the date started, date completed, the distribution ID is there, and then the unique URL. And then if you go to the related, you can see all the tracking when it was sent, completed, and then the responses. And there is the response. You can see the item, and then there's the question, choose items. So that's how you do it. That's how you send it using an object.